I'm gonna show you how you can easily make your tripod footage look like it was shot handheld in Premiere Pro, just like this. The first thing you want to do is go out and film something handheld, and this doesn't have to be anywhere special, and you don't have to use any special gear. You can use your camera or you can just use your phone. So inside Premiere Pro, I have the clip that I filmed handheld, and then I have the clip that was shot on my tripod that I actually want to use. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to that handheld clip and then click on it and press Command L because I want to delink the audio from the video. And then I'm just going to click on the audio and delete it. And then I'm going to move my handheld clip to video layer number 2. And I'm going to drag my main clip that was shot on my tripod directly underneath on video layer number 1. Then I want to highlight and select both of those clips, right click and nest them, and then press OK. Then go over here to the double arrows and go down to Effects and type in Warp Stabilizer, and click and drag Warp Stabilizer onto that nested sequence. Then with that sequence selected, go up here to Effect Controls and scroll down here to the Warp Stabilizer effect. And as you can see, it's going to analyze that clip, and this should go pretty fast. It just depends on your computer. And just leave the rest of these settings set to default. And once that's done analyzing, go down here and double click on your nested sequence. Then once that opens up, go ahead and delete that handheld clip and then go back to your main sequence. And since the clip that was shot on the tripod was shorter than the handheld clip, what you have is this excess that you can just trim off here on the nested sequence. Then you can just go ahead and play it back. I think that gives it a more stylistic look, but there's so many ways that you could stylize your videos. And if you'd like to learn more about how to do that, check out this video right here. And if you're looking to improve your video editing skills, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.